children, make sure you got enough space in between you. I would like you to move, yes, as much as possible. Please, bit more, bit more. Okay. Can you move it here? I want you to listen very carefully now. Your health and safety is the key priority here. As you can see, this is not a soft. This is a hard floor. This is a tarmac. So you can fall into the tarmac very quickly without your knowledge, because if you run fast, you can't fall into the tarmac. So it is really important your safety. So make sure you don't run fast, but run safe. You understand? Run safe to win. That is your key. Run safe to win. That is really important, right? So you also going to count 1, 2, 3. When I say 1, 2, 3, you can start running. Judges, are we ready? Judges, are we ready? On my count to 3 again, we are running. Main thing is your safety. Do not fall. You can fall, but make sure you keep your hand to the floor before you come down. Okay? If that happens. Are we clear of this, children? Excellent. 3, okay? Judges, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
ඔව්. මේ අතරේ අලියාට ඇසිට බීජේ තරගය දැන් ආරම්භ වෙනවා. අලියාට ඇසිට බීජේ තරගය ළමයින්ගේ තරගය පළතුරේ පයස් වෙනවා.